thunderstorm warning for southeastern Blount County, northeastern Jefferson County, northwestern St. Clair County, until 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:36 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Clay, or 7 miles west of Springville, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Springville, Dallas, Clay, Pinson, Argo, Locust Fork, Inland Lake, Highland Lake, Palmerdale, St. Clair Springs, Holly Springs, Village Springs, Caldwell, I-59 rest areas at Oneonta, Rimlap, Clear Springs, and Whitney Junction. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama, Blount, Jefferson, and St. Clair.
What?
Now what, Mixie? Yes, ma'am. I want you to play on.